Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look, Alectrona, the goddess of the sun. If you're interested, please keep on watching. To get started, you're going to need some metal headbands, glitter, zip ties in various sizes, tacky glue, beads, some rhinestones, a hot glue gun, and some metal paint. First, you're going to lay out your zip ties how you would like them, and then use a hot glue gun to put them into place. A good tip is to have your hand hold them down as you're gluing it so that they don't overlap each other. Next, you're going to want to lay down a garbage bag and start spray painting everything gold, let it dry, and do the opposite side. Then you're going to want to start laying down the tacky glue, adding your beads, and spreading out your glitter. Moving on to base, the first color you're going to go in with is No Joke from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Going in with a fluffy brush using Over Savvy from the Juvia's Place Walhalla palette, you're going to go over that same yellow on the crease. Now grabbing a pencil brush, you're going to go in with the shade Homebody from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then after you're done blending that out, you're going to go in with the same pencil brush and go in with G Money in the same formation. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and some concealer. I'm using Too Faced in the shade Snow and start to cut my crease. Now it's time for some glitter. Alright guys, so for the glitter, I'm going in with Pepper Body from the Walhalla palette. Then going in with the shade Make Believe from my 3503 palette, I'm going to mix those colors in to kind of give it like an ombre effect. Placing some tape down or cut crease eye stickers can really help you define how you want your liner and create that up effect. Using dark brown and black, I'm just going to define everything on my outer third. Now going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Liquid Eyeliner, I'm going to wing my eyes and only bring it towards the center of my lid. I really recommend this eyeliner for beginners. The tip makes it so easy to apply. Now lining the top of my crease, I'm going in with my NYX white eyeliner and I'm just flicking it out towards the end. After applying some lashes, to highlight the inner eye, I'm going to go in with In By Only from the 24A palette. For face, we're going to go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas and my MAC Prolong Wear Foundation. I mean, look at this stuff. Where did my acne go? I just love it, just love it. To correct the conceal, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind. I love this stuff. It's so blendable and it blends with any foundation. I've never had an issue with this concealer. And even better, it's drugstore. To set, we're going to use the Airspun powder, and to contour, of course I'm going in with my Cheek Stars palette from Benefit Cosmetics. I started just using a piece of paper to help me really get down my contour stuff because adding just a bunch of concealer underneath that was not looking well for me. For the under eyes, we're just going to go ahead and blend out a dark brown shade. And we're going to add some winged eyeliner, but you're going to wing it in the inner corner of your eye to kind of give your eye an accentuated, like that it's bigger, kind of doll-like feeling. To highlight, I'm going to go in first with my Lumi Glotion from L'Oreal. And then I'm going to go in with Butterscotch and Taffy from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I honestly think this is the part I love the most about this look, that you just get to accentuate the highlight as much as you want. For lips, I'm going to go in with my Mod liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Using that same lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and contour my lips a little bit after I go over with a deep brown. It just makes your lips look like you just got them done. For the gems, I'm just going to go ahead and run them along that black eyeliner to make sure that we're accentuating the gems and the liner that's there. Then adding some more highlight going down the center of my eyes to just kind of make it look like I'm just crying glitter, you know? So this is the completed makeup look. Let me show you guys how it looks all put together. And here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.